In this video, we will establish an OPC UA connection between an HMI ST6000 and the PC using Brew Open Studio. Brew is installed in Pro-Face HMI ST6000 series and Brew Open Studio in a laptop PC. And the ST6000 and the laptop PC are connected on Ethernet. Let's start with settings on the Brew's screen editor. Assuming the IP address of the ST6000 is 192.168.1.80 and that of the laptop PC is 192.168.1.100. On ST6000, numeric displays that show 3 variables and 3 element array are placed as follows. Click on Target 1. Select Advanced Data Accessing Properties. Enable OPC UA Server. Select the Transport Protocol. Brew supports only the UTCP. Now, specify port number for data communication. On Brew, it's 48010 as the default port number. Select the data format. Brew supports only the UA binary now. Selecting Security Policy enables secure communication. Details on security policy settings will be presented in an OPC UA secure connection video. This time, select No Security. Next, open the variables settings. The variables registered in the numeric displays are shown. Select each variable, and then select Read-Write for data sharing. When data sharing is set to read-only or read-write, the variables can communicate with the UA client. Read-Write setting enables the UA client to update the variable remotely. After the OPC UA settings of the variables are completed, specify transfer method and transfer the project. Select Ethernet and designate 192.168.1.80, that is the IP address of the ST6000. Check the box of Always Allow Ethernet Transfer for transfer without permission by the ST6000. It's recommended to uncheck it for secure transfer when actually operating. Next, open Brew Open Studio and create the project. We will use OPC UA demo for the project name. Proceed without changing the other settings. In the same way as the ST6000, create the screen which has slide bars that show 3 variables and 3 element array. For how to create them, see the user manual or the Brew Open Studio tutorial. Next, select the COM tab of Project Explorer and select OPC UA. Connections, right-click there, and select Insert. The server configuration window appears. Communication with the OPC UA server can be set in here. Any connection name can be used. Enter OPC UA here. For Blue, the transfer protocol is UA TCP, the IP address is 192.168.1.AD, and the port is 48010. For endpoint, set opc.tcp://192.168.1.AD:48010. No security is selected on Blue, so security settings are not specified here. When test connection is pushed, communication is established. Right-click on OPC UA Project Explorer and select Insert to show the tag list of OPC UA. For communication, select desired data of the OPC UA server, with communication established. Enter any name for description. For connection, select the OPC UA, with communication earlier established. Select the root node for reference, since Blue expresses HMI as target 01. Select target 01. Link the tags already created on Blue Open Studio to the variables of Blue. For example, link the value1 tag to target 01, value1 variable in this way. Set the other tags in the same way. When all the tags are linked, save the setting. The setting is now completed. You can change data of Blue from Blue Open Studio. Also, you can monitor data of Blue. Right-click on the output window of Blue Open Studio to select settings. Check the box of OPC UA to monitor communication status.